Here's the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. I'm going to show you how to use the screen recording feature so you can record videos that's on your phone. Okay, so first thing is go top right hand side, slide down. You see your control panel right here and that little horizontal line right there. Go ahead and slide that down, and then you should find something that's called screen recorder. Okay, now really quickly, long press this, just press and hold it, and now here's the settings. You can see the format's going to be in JPEG, but you can also do PNG, video quality, the highest is 1080p. You have your little selfie thing, you can make it larger or smaller as well, some other things here. Okay, now let me do it again. Top right hand side, slide down, that little horizontal line right there, I'm going to slide down again. Now I'm going to tap on screen recorder. Now we have two options. Okay, we can do partial screen or full screen. Okay, and also down here, audio to record, here is none. If you just tap here, just media, it's only going to record what's coming out of your phone. If you do media mic, it's going to record everything coming to your phone and also whatever is coming from your mic, like you and maybe any background noise. Okay, and then you have show taps and touches there as well. But really quickly, this is the partial screen. So if you want to do partial screen, you would just tap on start recording, and then you can go ahead and make the screen size whatever you want, and then tap on record. You get a countdown, 3, 2, 1, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3, and then you can go ahead and stop it or you can pause it. I just stopped it. Every time you stop it, it's going to get saved automatically into your gallery app right there. So tap on that, the gallery app, and then tap on albums, and you should have a new albums called screen recorder. I don't see mine here. Screen. Okay, let me click on view all. All right, there we go, screen recorder, and that last one that I took is right here. Okay, now let's do another one here. Top right hand side, slide down, the little horizontal line. I'm going to slide down again, and I'm going to tap on screen recorder now. And this time we'll just leave it on media and mic here, and we'll do full screen, and we're going to start recording there. You get a little countdown. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's that little selfie. You can go ahead and move that around. You can go ahead and write stuff on here. And let me go back here. Testing 1, 2, testing, and then of course you can pause like the guy just did, and you can go ahead and resume. Oops, I'm resuming here. Let me take off the selfie. Check 1, 2, and then I'm going to stop it. And now we're going to go ahead and view it now. And you should have my voice on there as well. So we're going to go back to the gallery app here. And then we're going to go to screen record. That last one was 22 seconds. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's that little selfie. You can go ahead and move that around. You can go ahead and write stuff on here. And let me go back here. Testing 1, 2. Testing. Oops. Resuming here. Let me take off the selfie. Check 1, 2. Anyway, I think you guys got the message there. Any questions or issues, just comment below.